Hi, would you like to make LEDs to flash with the rhythm of the music? Well, if you are interested, then please watch the full video. I got all these components from icstation.com. They were kind enough to give me all these for free, so I was able to make this project for you. Okay, now let's see which component goes where, to make it easier for you to assemble them. One 4.7k ohm resistor. One 10k ohm resistor. One 1 million ohm resistor. One 47 microfarad capacitor. One 1 microfarad capacitor. Two S9012 transistor. One microphone. 7 LEDs. One male pin and the PCB.